Hey folks, good day. This is your boy Ferris, and I am coming to you live from my new setup. It's not an office; it's my living room. So I'm being truthful. Office is on the second floor. I just didn't feel like taking all this stuff up there, so we are going to work from here. One of the things I wanted to kind of bring to you guys is what we provide funding for, and some of the industries that Freedom Path, does for as far as lending, as far as loan. And a type of loan is business term loans. One, the top industries are retail stores, medical, and food and beverage, technology, auto repair, and so on. Unique benefits: $10 million max amount that you can borrow, 1 to 2 year terms, weekly and monthly payments. No prepayment penalty. So for paying early, you don't have to worry or getting the loan paid off in a more timely fashion than before the timely fashion happens. There are no penalties for that. Refinance up to 2 loans. Could report to business credit bureau, business credit bureaus. Refinance up to 2 MCAs. Minimum qualification is 2 years time in business, a 600 plus FICO score, $500,000 annual sales, or $40,000 in monthly deposits. A business bank account, no personal bank accounts for sole proprietors. No business, no consent. So you have to be set up as a business. Business line of credit. So these works kind of like you need a line of credit to work with. Of course, there's different industries. They say top industries that get business line of credit, but we work with a lot of different industries. Mainly, they said that we work with the marijuana industry, so dispensaries and stuff like that. That normally couldn't get funding. We go behind them and build, help them get funding and help them expand their business the way they need to be funded, the way they want to be funded, so to say, and help them with the expansion that they need for themselves in order to grow. Because a lot of the dispensaries and stuff like that, they can't go to banks and stuff like that to get funding or open bank accounts, because even though medical marijuana in most states, and medical marijuana in most states is legalized on a state-to-state basis, it is still federally criminal to be in a business, which is kind of crazy. It is $100, but hey, so long as they let it pass. And yes, I do partake. And plan on it soon. Plan on it starting back here soon. So I keep it real with you. Business line of credit, unique benefits. You get up to $750,000 in a line of credit, cash flow based approvals. Same day funding available. Only pay on usage. Weekly and monthly payments allowed. True LOC. Each payment frees up an available credit line. Minimum qualifications: you must be 1 year in business, have a 600 plus FICO score. Now, the higher the better. We say, right, if you really the better, the higher the better. So 680 is really in there, is where you kind of want to be. 680. That 680 lets it go smooth. But if you're just burgeoning at 600, that's cool. But 680 plus will get you, will definitely almost get you possibly funded. I have to add that possibly because I don't know the situation. I don't know what's going to go on. Can't predict the future. You had to have a 500,000 plus annual sales, or $40,000 in monthly deposits. No personal accounts. Again, you have to have a business bank account. SBA loans, Small Business Administration loans, and 7A and 504. Top industries is retail, food, beverages, assisted living, child care, and auto repair. $5 million max amount approvals in 1 to 5 days funding, over 4 to 10 weeks. SBA 7A, a 10-year term. SBA 504. It's a series 504, I think. I think that is for nonprofits or 501, whatever, 501c3. It's one of the nonprofits. There are different codes for this. It's a 25-year term. Rates, prime plus 1% to 2.7%. Same day funding available. Monthly payments. No prepayment penalties. Minimum requirements: you must be in business for 2 years' time in business. You have a 660 FICO credit score, $500,000 in annual sales, $40,000 in monthly deposits, business account, business bank account, of course, no personal accounts, no BKs, liens, foreclosures in the past years. So no bankruptcies, liens, or foreclosures. So yeah. Equipment, finances. So if you need equipment for your business, if you need stoves or whatever have you need the tools necessary to get your stuff set up, we have that available as well. So we can finance your equipment, which in most cases it's kind of hard. So construction, medical, top industries, manufacturing, restaurants, trucking and trailer and logistics. So if you have a trucking and trucking company and you have a logistics company, you're trying to get funded, we can help you there. The unique benefits: you get $5 million max amount, 1 to 5 year terms, rates as low as 7%, 100% financing available, purchase and leasing options, vendor and private sales eligible. Minimum qualifications is that you must have been in business at least 1 year time in business, have a 550, which is really low, 550 FICO score, business bank account, of course, no personal accounts, and you have to have a banking equipment invoice required. So whatever the company allowed you to get, you have to have an invoice, and they pay, help you get that paid off. So working capital loans, unique benefits, $10 million max amount, cash flow based approvals, same day funding available, 6 to 24 months terms available, daily, weekly, or monthly payments available, early payoff discounts are available. Minimum qualifications: 6 months time in business, no minimal FICO score, business bank account, of course, no profit, no personal accounts, $10,000 in monthly cash flow deposits, which is kind of it's kind of low. It's a very low barrier of entry. A&R line of credit, top industries: manufacturing, staffing, wholesaling, energy companies, technology. Unique benefits: facility size of $100,000 to $100 million. Revolving line of credit amount fluctuates as an outstanding AR fluctuates. AR fluctuates. Rates starting at prime plus 2 plus prime plus is 2%, up to 95% financing of current A&R, 7 days application to funding. So 7+ days. It may take you 7+ days to get funded, but once you get funded, you fund it. Minimum qualifications: you must have been in business for 1 year, no minimum FICO score, $1 million in annual sales, $100,000 in AR on short terms. Inventory line of credit. So just in case you were trying to get inventory for your stores, e-commerce and wholesale distribution, manufacturing, technology is the typical, companies that are for. Facility size: 100,000 to 10 million. Did I say that right? I said 100 million first. Okay, I could check my eyes. And must have a revolving line of credit. Amounts, fluctuates as inventory fluctuates up and down. Rates starting at a prime 2% up to 85% of financing inventory liquidation value. 7+ days application to funding. Minimum qualifications, you have 1 year time in business, no minimum FICO score, $1 million in annual sales, and $1 million in current inventory. Syndicated line of credits, all right. Top industries with what I say is startups, e-commerce, real estate, food and beverage. Unique benefits, personal credit base, no TIB revenue requirements, 18 to 24 months at 0% interest, 2.5%, 2 to 5% minimal payment amounts, checking card access to funds, liquidation assets of assistance available, up to $250,000 in startup funding available, startup eligible credit help available to obtain approval. So we have credit, we do help you in the middle. We help you get credit, business credit funding, and all that other stuff. We have those services available as well to you. Minimum qualifications, 650 FICO score, plus FICO score, no derogatory items, 4 inquiries in 24 months, no new accounts in the last 6 months. Okay. Bridge loans, proprietary loans, single family, duplex, triplex. This is places if you're going into real estate, investing in real estate, multifamily plus 5 units, condos, and townhomes. All right. Loan amounts up to $100K, $3 million minimum credit, $100K to $3 million. Minimal credit score 640. Rates 10 to 10.99% to 12.99%. Points 1 to 3%. Payment monthly interest. Only no repay penalty. Loan purchase up to 75%. Refi LTV up to 70%. Cash out refi LTV up to 65%. Loans are 6 to 18 months. Eligible loan types: purchase, refinance, cash out, refinance. 3 to 5 days to close. Investment properties only. Required documents: purchase of contract if purchased. Last 2 bank statement, property insurance, driver's license, LLC, entity documents. DSCR loans, property programs is another one falling under them. Properties that you want to get, loan amounts up to $100,000 to $100,000 to $1.5 million. Minimum credit score 660. Rates up to 5.2%. Minimum DCR average of 75%. Points and disclosure amount discount points. Payments fully authorized. IO, no PPP options. LTV up to 80%. Cash out refinance 75%. Eligible locations up to 42 states. Eligible rental income types: short rentals, long-term vacant. Required documents: purchase of contract if available. List of owned real estate. Property insurance, driver's license, last 2 bank statements, property lease, entity docs, and payoff. So we help people in business get what they want. The range of what we provide funding for and how we can help you as a business entity ranges, because we do help you with business credit. We do help you get funding. We do help you build your presence and all that other good stuff. So feel free to click the link below to get your financing and your funding journey started. I will see you guys on the beach of the world. I hope not. If not, I hope to see you at the bank. Have a big check. Living the best life that you possibly can, because why the heck not? You only get one. Click that link below. Get your application in. Get funded. Get excited to get your life started, to help your family and break family soul ties and all that other stuff. This is been your boy Ferris. Peace out. Voice is cracking. Y'all can tell. Get your funding. Get your funding.